Now here you can see that this video got 21.9 million views and this one got 2.1 million views and this one got 11.1 million views.
All are short form videos and very easy to create. So if you're looking to make money from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, then this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you the easy way to create these videos. It's totally easy and totally free. And the most interesting part of this is that this niche is unsaturated because not many people know how to do it, and not to you because I'm going to be teaching you how to create it from start to finish. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come up with the niche that you want to get into. It could be anything. It could be historical, it could be useless fact, it could be the famous dad jokes, funny animal fact. So anyone that you want to go into, it could be anything. It could even be a sound from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube that you want to use. You can just use that to create your animation, as long as it's going to keep people glued to their screen, because that is the point, to make people watch the 15 seconds video. That is how it goes viral. So you have to find the right niche and you're going to be making lots of money. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is to come over to ChatGPT, and let's say we want to go with funny animal facts, right? So we're going to tell ChatGPT to generate 20 short funny animal facts that is very funny, that will make readers laugh so hard. So now that we have this, we're going to send it and let ChatGPT come up with the facts for us, and then we can use it to create magic. Trust me, you're going to see how easy it is to create these videos. So now you can see that ChatGPT has generated the 20 facts. Funny facts, of course. So here you can see a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance because what else would you call a bunch of hot pink birds? So now we're going to just copy one. Let's just copy one. And we're going to come over to this free text-to-speech AI that I found. I'm going to be talking more about this much later. So don't worry about the URL. I'm going to share it with you much later. But let's go ahead and paste in the text that we copied. So we're going to paste it here. This is the text that we copied from ChatGPT. It's very easy, very fast to create these videos. So now that we have this pasted, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go through this voice artist, these AI voices. We're going to go through them one after the other. So I don't need to bore you with it. So I'm just going to randomly select one. Now, if you go through it and you don't find the perfect voice that you want, you can just click on this language here. You can see there's lots of languages. There's Tanzania, there's South Africa, there's United Kingdom. So here we're going to just come down and stick with the English United States. So we're going to select Guy. If you play it back and the pitch is off, what you're going to do is to just correct the pitch here. It has take it up and listen to it and see how it sounds, and take it down, listen to it and hear how it sounds. If you get the perfect one, you just leave it at that. So just go ahead and play around it and see how it's going to work out for you. It's totally free. You can see they're making money from this art. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to create websites like this, that you're going to be making a lot of money from Google Ads, just like this one, right? So I'm going to be sharing if a lot of you indicate that you're interested in this video, and I'm going to make that video for you so that you can go ahead and set up website like this that you're going to use to offer a free service, and then in return people are going to see ads and Google will pay you in return because people love free stuffs, right? So you're going to get lots of traffic on your website and Google is going to be paying you on a monthly basis. So it's a win-win, right? All right, so now that we have done that, next thing we're going to do is to click on convert now. So this platform is just going to go ahead and convert this audio instantly. Very easy, no stress. All right, so now that it's done converting, the next thing we're going to do is to play it back and hear how it sounds and see if we can touch some things up. So here, I'm going to go ahead and play this.
Have accents. A duck quacking in England sounds different from one in Australia. Quack, mate.
Quack me. All right, so this sounds fairly okay, but you can go ahead and try out. I just don't want to waste your time by trying out everything here. So you can go ahead and try out all the available free service here, and then you can use whichever one that best appeals to your ears, right? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and hit download MP3 and download this to my device. And don't worry, I'm still going to share with you how you're going to get access to this platform. It's totally for free, and I'm going to be sharing that with you shortly. So now that we are done with that, the next thing we're going to do is to come over to the next step, which is creating the animation itself. And to do that, open your new browser and type in new.express.adobe.com. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and select what you want to use it for. Is it work or side hustle, school or personal? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on personal and click on next. What do you want to make? Choose all that apply. So let's just go ahead and select randomly what we want to use it for: flyer, poster, video. Want to use it for video, most especially social media content and video. So we're going to go ahead and click on next. Which styles do you like? Select up to 2. So we're going to select organic and select elegant and click on next. What best describes your primary job function? Administration, business owner, content creator, influencer, design, human resources, IT, and yada, yada, yada. So just go ahead and select any one that comes to mind. It doesn't really matter. So now that we have this, you click on done. So once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to come over to video. Make sure you click on video, and then you're going to scroll way down and you're going to see quick actions. You see a lot of options here, and you're going to go ahead and select animate from audio. So once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to come over to size, because we're trying to create shots, remember? So we're going to go ahead and click on size, and we're going to select 9:16. That is short. So we're going to select this, and we're going to come back to character. Okay, come back to character, and we're going to select any character that you want. But what we want is the Stickman, right? The sticky man. So we're going to just go ahead and scroll down and find our little character. As you can see, all these characters here are 100% free and 100% monetizable. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. Let me know if you want me to make more videos on this, on how to use this to make amazing videos that is going to make you money on social media. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll also make that video for you, right? All right, so here is the sticky man, and we're just going to go ahead and select it like so. And the next thing we're going to do is select our background. It could be any background. So let's go ahead and select this bedroom, okay? Select bedroom as our background, and we're going to resize this, our stick man, like so. So the next thing we're going to do, as we have this now, is to go ahead and click on browse to upload the audio that we downloaded from that text to speech. And by the way, the text to speech website is ttsfree.com. TTS server 1 is paid for, but the free one is TTS server 2. So whichever one that works for you, you can just go ahead and go through them and see which one you want. If you want the premium or you want this option. And alternatively, you have 11 Labs and you have Clipchamp. I've done a tutorial on this. I'm going to be leaving that in the description so that you can go ahead and choose whichever one that you want after watching the video, right? Or you can click here to watch the video as well. So now that we have this out of the way, we're going to come back to this animation tool by Adobe Express, and we're going to go ahead and upload the voiceover that we downloaded from ttsfree.com. So we're going to click on browse, and we're going to select, this is the audio, we're going to select the audio, and we're going to click on open. Right, you can see that it's ready to play back. So let's go ahead and play back our baby to see what it looks like and sounds like.
Ducks have accents. A duck quacking in England sounds different from one in Australia. Quack, mate!
Quack, mate! So now it's not perfect. This is just a tutorial to show you how it works. The next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and download this to our device, and it's ready. So you go ahead and click on download here, and it's going to go ahead and download to your device. You click on save, and voila, you can see downloads super fast. So what you might want to do here is to just chop off the little silence in between and add a sound effect, a soundtrack, an instrumental. It could be anything, and you do it on the platform that you're uploading it on so that you won't have any copyright issue. So if you're uploading it on Instagram Reel, you're going to use the songs available to you, the instrumentals available on Instagram to upload the video. If you're going to upload it on TikTok, you're going to use the instrumentals or the songs available on TikTok to upload it on TikTok, and you do the same thing for YouTube. And if you want to make it conversational, like it's talking to two people, or you want to change the scene from one scene to another, or you have your own background and you want to use your own background, all you have to do is to click here to watch an extensive video on how to use this tool to create animation, so you can best understand how you can navigate through if you want something more dynamic than this. So go ahead and watch it now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.